Hey everybody, it's Eric from Let'sStartInvesting.com showing you inside Webull. So I'm currently in Webull. I just logged on. So it takes you first to the watch list. This is just your watch list overview, showing you all the different watch lists that you've created. This one's actually pre-built by Webull. I didn't actually put this in here. So it just shows you a couple of the big stocks that they track. So next tab I'm going to show you is the Markets tab. Markets tab is going to be all of your different markets, ranging from the United States, where it covers the Dow Jones, and all of your other top markets. It's going to show you how pension funds are doing, like different random overall sectors, so toys and such, oil and gas is down there, and just kind of shows you overall how the NASDAQ is tracking as well, and some of their big star stocks as well. Shows you their market gainers, market losers, and some of the ones that just had a lot of activity recently, as well as your ETFs. So mutual funds are in here too, just giving you an overall view of how the market's doing. And so they track that. They show you the United States. They show you the United Kingdom, Germany. So if you want to look at Bitcoin, you can look at that also. If you want to track ETFs, it's there. And then going to the trade. Trades where you do the bulk of everything you do on Webull. It's going to be where you track your performance, where you track your orders, commence trades, and basically deposit and withdraw. Performance. It's going to show you how your account's been doing overall. So it shows you the overall account health. How it's been performing as far as profits and losses, showing you how your up days and down days. And then if you look at stock profits and losses, it's going to show you the same thing, showing you different stocks that you've had and how they've profited and lost as well. All right. So going back again, we're going to check out the next tab, which is streams. This is just where all your news streams are. So it shows you all the different things that are tracking in the markets. This is just like pulling data from other websites, basically. Pretty much every app that does finances shows this type of stream, so you can get an idea of what's going on in the markets. But Explore tab, this is where you're going to see the biggest difference between Webull and all the other discount brokerages. So with Webull, before they started becoming a brokerage, they were actually a research and analysis platform designed for stock trading. So you can go on here and do all sorts of research, analysis, and basically just identifying which stocks you want to trade in, like yourself. So that's actually how they made their mark, like on the world, was showing you like all the different tools that you could use to track stocks and analyze them, like I said. So I'm going to show you some of the ways they do that, and I think that you're going to see that this is by far probably one of the best tools. That, I mean, it's covered on a free app. This is a free commissions app. This is probably one of the best things I think about it. So first, you can go to the calendar. Calendar is going to show you, I'm going to go to next week because this is a Sunday currently. So this will show you what's coming up next week. It shows you all your different earnings that are going to be happening this week. It's going to show you ex-dividends as well, and some economy stuff. So things that are happening in the calendar coming up for different stocks. That way you can track it in one easy spot. IPOs, if you want to see a stock that has just been recently put on the stock exchange, you can go to IPOs and look at that. So that's kind of interesting because you can see new stocks that have come to the United States, as well as new stocks in Hong Kong. And anytime a new stock hits, it'll be in this IPO section. Paper trading. This is probably one of the things that Webull has. I don't really know any other discount brokers that has it. This allows you to trade fake money, so you can make sure that you know what you're doing before you trade your real money. So if you have an idea from, like let's say you're trading candlestick graphs, but you don't really know that much about it, but you think you've kind of identified a few good patterns and you want to try them out, then you could paper trade. Put some fake money down, say you're going to buy this many shares of this, and you can basically see how it would have performed if it had been your real money, but without taking that risk. So paper trading is a great way to learn, and it's a great way to practice things that you want to implement without actually putting your skin in the game, so to speak. And then if you ever want to reset it, you can just reset it at the top corner. It'll give you back your $1,000,000. You can start all over. It's all free. Going back again. So one of the things that I think makes it super easy to track is your screeners. If you click on screeners, you'll see that there's different ones. There's the high dividend yield bank stocks, which basically just sorts the United States banking stocks that give you a dividend of 6%. And then they also gave you one called the high market value U.S. stocks, which just basically identifies more than 100 billion market cap in the United States. So those are the filters they gave you. But I'm going to show you one that I made personally, which is the Tech P&E. So I clicked on here, and all I did was if you go to, so if you hit the plus sign on the top there, you can modify. Let's try that. Yeah, so this is how I did it. So you go, like, let's say you want to make a new one, you can just do it yourself. You can click on region, and I put United States. Then I went to sector, and I changed it to technology because I wanted to find tech stocks. Then I went to P&E ratio. This is your profits earning ratio. And generally, these tech stocks are kind of high, so I wanted to find one that was kind of undervalued. So I picked between 5 and 15. And then that's it. All I did was hit save, and it saved it successfully. And then when you click on it, it's going to show you all of your tech stocks that are in the United States with a profits earning ratio of 5 to 15. So these are stocks that I think might be pretty neat to screen. So when I do it, I generally like to go from the bottom up. So I'm going to hit this a couple times. There you go. And I'm going to scroll down, and I see Western Digital. Western Digital is a tech stock that makes like calculators and other kinds of mathematical tools. Very, very big in the tech world. A lot of people that go to school and have graphing calculators probably have a Western Digital one or a Texas Instrument one. But Western Digital is a pretty big brand. I'm going to keep an eye on this stock in particular because I think Western Digital is actually a pretty good company. I didn't realize they had a profit earning ratio of 5. That's pretty low. So that's something I might actually look at later. But that just shows you what you can do with screeners. Other ones, if you wanted to make other screeners, you could sort by your market cap, price. You could sort by earnings per share, dividends. Basically, all your different ways that you can track stocks, and you can kind of narrow down what you want to invest in based on what you're looking for. So that's pretty much it, guys. Webull is a very good app, I think. It's probably my favorite as far as the free commission apps go. One thing else I want to show you real quick is their refer a friend. So similar to Robinhood. In Robinhood, if you refer a friend to open an account, you get a stock that ranges between $250 to $200. What they do is Webull will give you a stock that ranges between $3 and $300. So by you referring a friend, you and your friend will get a stock of valued between $300 to $300. It's random. You don't know which one you're going to get. The one I got recently was worth about 4 something for APEV, and I mean it's not bad. It's free stock. And then if your friend joins and actually deposits $100, you'll get another stock value between $4 and $1,000. So by having a friend join, you can get not one but possibly 2 stocks depending on if they put money in or not. So if they decide to open an account and then just get the free stock and not put any money in, you'll still get a free stock. But if they do put $100 in, you'll get another free stock, and they will too. So kind of a cool referral program, a little unique, I think, because they give you 2 opportunities to get a free stock. And that's basically it, guys.